inside my family's daily life.
Let me have some warm water first. Children, are you ready for breakfast? Please come and have your breakfast now.
Okay, Mom, let us finish brushing first.
Okay, hurry up.
Lucy, is breakfast ready? I am ready to go now.
Dad, will you drop us at school today?
Oh yes.
Good.
Wash your hands properly, Tom.
Okay.
Let me finish cleaning before I leave for work. Bye.
Okay, children, you have reached school now.
Have a nice day, Tom.
You too.
I love my school and my teacher because they inspire me to learn and grow every day.
I love this music. It feels so good. Oh, everyone looks so busy today. Let me complete my work and have my lunch. Wash my hands before lunch. Okay, finished. Let me have some coffee with Anna. Anna, I just enjoy myself with you so much. Oh, here comes my bus. Jack must have picked up the children and must be home by now.
Hey, Mom's here.
Look, he's so excited you have come. He was just waiting for you.
Let me start cooking now. I am making something special for you today. I am making chicken. Are you ready for dinner? I'm done. Come on, let's have dinner.
Mom, the food is so tasty.
Thank you so much, dear. Eat well. Are you hungry, kitty? Here, take your food.
Let me wash the dishes for Lucy. I can help her.
Dad, I want to help too.
Okay, let me wash the clothes now. Now I can spend some time with my family. Okay, children, let's go for a walk now.
The night is so quiet. It feels like the world is peacefully asleep.
Okay, let me read a story to you.
Yeah.
Tom is already sleeping.
Oh, it's really late now. Let us go to bed.
Good night, Tom. Sweet dreams.